When you talk to most software development companies about developing your application, they will want to take you through an extensive requirements gathering and design process. And they do this because they want to understand everything they can about your application up front, so that way there's no uncertainty around what's being developed. Everyone wants certainty. The challenge is that software development is inherently uncertain. There are too many variables. It's not like building a house or a bridge. We call these unknown unknowns. An unknown unknown could be a change in understanding, it could be a change in market conditions, a competitor may have done something disruptive, anything. The biggest variable, however, in any software development project is the client themselves. We call these aha moments. It's not until the client gets the application in their hand and they can see it for the first time that they kind of realize, oh, I understand now. Things that they thought they understood, they now really understand. And things they thought were important, not so important, and things they thought were not important now suddenly become very important. And so rather than fighting against change, at Appster we embrace change. We understand that it's part of the journey, and so rather than trying to process against it, we encourage it, we understand. And so we practice agile development processes here at Appster. We develop in iterative cycles, we release software regularly. But the other part of it is that we also have agile commercial agreements. It's not good enough just to have agile development but still be locked into a very tightly bound contract. We actually have agreements which allow the client to modify their software as they go along, and we do it as a journey. At Appster we are very strong on client communication and engagement. If you're the kind of company that wants to throw a requirement specification over the wall and have it delivered after a while, sight unseen, then we're not the company to do that. If you do want a company to help you on a journey where we talk to each other regularly, we actually engage closely, then that is the kind of company we are, and together we can develop great products.